Hey, John with TechTalk Summits. I'm the Director of Operations. We host about 300 events annually across the US, Canada, and Latin America, and some events in Europe as well. So we have a very heavy operational load and responsibility when it comes to our pre-event RSVPs and check-ins, as well as our on-site event management and our post-event follow-up. We have an alumni list of over 100,000 technology professionals. We've been using Samaaro for about 2 years now to streamline and automate these processes for our pre-event RSVPs, approvals, as well as our on-site event management, using the platform to make sure we're checking guests in, we have the data correct, and making it much more efficient on site, as well as our post-event follow-up, making sure we get the necessary feedback in a timely manner. All this has been automated. It's helped free up a lot of time for our employees, make us more efficient, and free up time to do other things